Hi everyone. Today's tutorial how to pair wireless printer. Link in description download. Then run the app. Now pair your printer to your Wi-Fi. Make sure both of your devices are paired with same Wi-Fi. Then click on this blue button, All Options. Accept all option and continue. If your printer is connected with same Wi-Fi, it should be shown. Else recheck printer Wi-Fi connectivity, then click Continue. Wait till it found the drivers. Then again press Accept all. Update or not up. Here demonstration that no Wi-Fi printer is yet connected to our laptop. Now chose if you want basic drivers of full setup. We don't need full, we already well known to these printers, so we'll chose basic and continue. After that wait till driver download, depends on the speed of your Wi-Fi.
A few moments later.
After complete download, install this, next and finish once done. Green tick is the sign it's installed. Default printer if you want, and test print as well if you want. We didn't need it as well. Click finish and all done. Let's recheck now we have printer or not. Pray for Palestine. Download it if removed, then found on our blog. Thanks for watching. Next tutorial, pair this printer with your smartphone, so don't forget to subscribe. God bless us all, Amin.